the kids are at school. They did start school this Wednesday. Today is Friday. I'm about to go get my nails done. That's why I grew it out, so it'll look pretty. I'm gonna head out in about 30 minutes. It's 8:30 right now. I'm gonna go pick up a Starbucks drink and bagel for my 동생 as well because she's doing my nails. And then I have to get back home and get ready for New York tomorrow. I have to start packing. So I'm gonna eat something really light right now. So let's find something to eat. I've been obsessed with avocado toast. I like to put eggs at the top. Only half of it, so I'm gonna save the one with the seed. A little bit of salt, pepper. One of my viewers got me this, so if you're watching this, Kimmy, thank you. I have to put a little bit of lemon juice. I also like paprika. Drizzle some olive oil. Strawberries. Yum. Tomatoes actually growing. Wow, this one's getting big. He wanted to do an avocado, but I don't know if it's working. Aiden did it. Starting to get a little cooler here in Texas. It's actually like under 100 degrees now. Before it was like 105, 106. Einstein's bagel. That's good. Classic? Is that what the salmon?
Yeah, Nova Lux.
Yeah. Thank you. Let's go get some coffee. The grande ice caramel macchiato.
Hey, have an awesome weekend.
Thank you.
Thanks
you
so much.
too. Ice caramel macchiato.
감사합니다. Don't worry.
Bagel.
와 대박 감사해요. 맛있게요.
Like last year when we started, like
이렇게 해볼게요.
so pretty. Thank you.
들어가세요.
Aiden's probably gonna be awake, so we'll eat something for lunch and then rest a little bit and then pick up the kids from school. Okay, so Aiden's gonna make some chicken strips. I bought some chicken tenderloins, so he's gonna
치킨 데모라고
chicken. Oh, he just woke up. This is from Target. It was pretty good when we tried it last time. This is so good. This tastes just like the Chick-fil-A breakfast hash browns. Aiden's gonna fry the chicken for the crispy tenders. It looks super crispy. Aiden made strawberry and banana smoothie.
protein powder.
We started working out, so Aiden bought this protein powder from Amazon. So we put some in the smoothie. I thought I was going to New York tomorrow, but it's actually Sunday.
I just forgot.
Monday I'll be doing a YouTube live, so join me if you guys are free and chat with me. Last YouTube live in Vegas, I showed like beauty events, but this time I'm gonna show like lifestyle stuff, like home stuff. Kids are back from school. Friday!
It's Friday!
After school, they wanted something to just eat, something small, so they wanted spaghetti. I'm gonna make them this, and then we'll have dinner in about 3 hours.
그걸 110번 했고, 그리고 이름을 1분 안에.
I like to leave a little bit of water so that it's not so dry. All done. Sunwoo said he wants some gochugaru hot pepper powder.
Go.
Stop.
Stop.
Some tamuji.
이제 섞어볼까?
This is yours. Here, sit. You gonna sit here? 고춧가루 맛이 나? 살짝?
I don't know.
아.
Okay, new Pokemon.
Bulbasaur.
Bulbasaur.
Oh my goodness. That's a lot of cards.
Bulbasaur.
Wow.
포켓몬 몇 개 볼게.
Wow.
천 포켓몬 카드.
Sunwoo's secret stash of his favorite.
포켓몬 가방에는 이렇게 많은 것들이 있어요.
아.
렐로. 지금까지 잡은 포켓몬들.
Okay, this is the Pokemons that Sunwoo caught so far. Catch.
시작.
How many Pokemon did you catch? Wow.
222개.
어디 써 있어?
근데 시드는 안 끝났어. 저번에 형아가 이름 모르는 뭐였지?
저 어떤 맛있다고 그랬지?
이미 잡았어.
브라운 색깔. There's so many people that can't do this. But Yeonu can't do it. Yeonu! 시작. I've been obsessed with this game, Rubik's Cube. What is it called? It's called Rumi Cube. I like Clue, and then this is Rumi Cube, the actual game.
여기 있다.
Bought some of our favorite chips because like this, and then for the shabu shabu we have to put that, and I like to put this. What's oden called again? Fish cake. 2 different type of fish cakes. This is always sold out, so we got 2. I think this tastes the best. And then also put udon noodles, meat, peanut sauce. Dip. I like to put cilantro in my dipping sauce. So Aiden's gonna make the broth. What is this?
What's that?
To put some duck rice cake. Yum! I like it with cilantro. And then this is Aiden sauce, extra spicy.
다시 봐.
1분 안에.
아, 알았어요. 스로 옮겼다고?
뭔가.
이빨 아빠.
오늘은 새 고무장갑을 샀습니다. 맞아. 어떻게 알았어? 빨리 사용할 것 같은 그런 기주에 성질입니다. 다음 갑시다. 아빠방을 보여드리죠. 여기는 운동반인데 아직 청소를 안 했습니다. 여기가 이제 헬스장이 될 예정인데 아직 더럽고. 그리고 저희 아빠방을 봅시다.
아빠는 찾으면 다행이지. 잘못해서
예, 아빠가 있고
문 찾아내면
침대, 거울.
그 잘.
여기를 소개해주자. 알렉사, 굿모닝. 굿모닝.
I'm sorry, Brandon.
알렉사! 굿모닝.
Okay.
오케이. 여기는 퍼즐 지금 퍼즐 그리고 퍼즐이 또 있는데 퍼즐 여기 이 스파이더맨 퍼즐이 이렇게 있고 제일 큰 거 이거 우리야
Can you open it?
왜?
So this cookie thing that I bought from H-Mart earlier. Can you open it?
왜?
근데 이거 원래 냉장고에 넣는 거야? 아니면 그냥 더 맛있는 거야 냉장고에 넣으면?
진짜 맛있어요. 이걸 먹는 순간 여기는 살을 녹아내고 과자 부분은 바삭바삭해.
빼빼로 냄새인데?
그래 먹어봐.
There's chocolate inside. It's like
엄마는
half strawberry, half chocolate.
우리 킹콩TV 할 거야?
Okay, go eat outside.
ASMR 하면서
This Cheez-It snapped, cheesy, thin and crispy. This is so
내가 제일 좋아하는 과자입니다.
This is so good.